This is an endoscope that can display the images of two lenses simultaneously. Package includes one endoscope, one data cable, one instruction manual, and matching accessories. Accessories include one side mirror, one hook, one magnet, and one protective ring. The screen size is 5 inches, wider display field of view, more complete detection images. The device is equipped with 2 lenses and supports usage in more scenarios. 3 display modes supported: front lens view, side lens view, dual lens simultaneous display. The cable features a hardwired design, ensuring excellent shape retention and precise angle adjustment. The image magnification function can present defects or damages more clearly. The lens LED has 4 brightness levels: off, low, medium, and high. The endoscope is equipped with different accessories and is suitable for different applications and scenarios. The protective ring can protect the lens from damage. The hook is used to remove foreign objects. Magnets can attract magnetic metallic foreign objects and can also fix and guide detection probes. The side mirror converts the forward-looking perspective into a side-looking perspective. 8 to 64 GB memory card supported. Insert a card to take photos and record videos. Short press or long press the capture button to take a photo or record a video. Supports data transfer to a computer via a data cable. The endoscope supports image inversion, enabling more flexible usage. It is equipped with a built-in 2000 mAh battery and supports Type-C DC 5 volts charging. Thanks for watching.